Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with Blender open and your current file saved. This prevents accidental data loss. First, look to the top of the interface and click the Workspace tab that most closely matches your goal. Once selected, you can immediately drag window borders to create new editor areas. Make sure to enable any add-ons you need before continuing. They can add editors or panels that affect layout choices. This first step gets you into the editable workspace. Don't pause here. Proceed to customize. Now you change the actual arrangement. Hover a border, right-click or drag to split for new editor, or join to remove one. Then, change any editor type from the small icon at the editor corner. Switch to Shader Editor, UV Editor, Timeline, or 3D View. Once arranged, resize panels by dragging. Dock commonly used tools where they are easiest to reach. Save effort by creating a custom workspace preset. This ensures you can restore this exact layout quickly on other projects or sessions. Finish by saving the layout so you won't lose it. Click the Workspace plus icon to duplicate or choose Save Startup File to make it default. Once done, use Window then Workspaces to rename, reorder, or delete workspace tabs. If something breaks, panels missing, or editors stuck, try reverting to the startup file or loading an autosave. Make sure you close Blender after saving your corrected startup. One tip: if editor icons disappear, reset to default workspace and reapply your custom changes carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.